Welcome, welcome, welcome.
I'd like to read a proclamation. And whereas to honor Emily's memory and raise awareness to always wear your seatbelt.
It's time to head to the start line.
Let's pray together. Father, we just want to thank you for today. Thank you for the beautiful weather. Thank you for what today is and what it represents and what it means to the Oster family.
Runners to your mark.
I like it. You look like fall. I'm digging the colors. You guys, you chicas ready? 1, 2, 3.
Amazing. We've had 385, close to 400 sign up, so that's amazing.
Oh my gosh, you guys are still coming across the line.
It's all about buckle up, wear your seatbelt. Wear your seatbelt. Somebody needs you.
And we're here today to remember to always wear our seatbelt.
We lost her a quarter mile from home, going 21 miles an hour. How far you're driving or how fast you're going, you need to always buckle your seatbelt. We love you, Emily!
It was a tragedy that shook our school to its core, but I've never seen a group of kids come together so much in my entire life. It says, love you long time, which is something she used to say. I do, I wear it every day. Never take it off. Yeah.
All right, finishers, let's go.